ever wonder where your allowance goes?
College life is fun, but money management is not easy.
For students who live far from their homes, it's really tough to manage their allowance and budget.
In this documentary, we'll discover how students manage their money, survive college, and still enjoy life.
Piece of Luck is all about sharing and learning from our fellow college students. We're going to tackle about the real-life challenges of the student finances, saving their allowances just to make it till the end of the month. Wanna know the secret on how you apply it to yourself? I got you. Now let's hear from our fellow college students as we share their tips and hacks and guide us on how we use it effectively.
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name, your label, and course?
Good morning, sir. I am Dina Diaz, and I am second-year student from Bachelor of Arts in English Language.
How much is your allowance every week or month?
Not every month, but on every day, my allowance is 50 pesos.
In that, so how do you budget your allowance?
Asa magtanaw din? Sa iya lang. How I budget my allowance, 50 pesos, 35 for my pamasahe, that is back and forth, and the 15 is for my sudan, and that's how I budget my money, and actually mabili 10 pesos for my snacks.
Can you give some advice for our fellow college students?
My advice for the college students, how they budget sa ilang allowance, magtipid lang dyan and do not kanang gasto bitaw sa kanang mga dili importante, and kanang dapat jud daw kanang or magtipid lang dyan para makaano ta kanang napatay kanang bili naman.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
What is your name, your label, and course?
Okay, so I am Dana Roa A. Oliver. I'm from Bachelor of Elementary Education, 4th year.
How much is your allowance every week and or month?
Actually, my allowance came from scholarship, which is Ayala Foundation. Every month is 4K.
In that, so how do you budget your allowance?
In budgeting my allowance, nagalahi ko for my wants, parcel, and everything. Dayon, sometimes mupalit ko mga, lagi, ginalahi na ko ang wants o ginalahi ko na ko ang needs. Dili ko hindi mawala nga ang mga needs na ko.
Can you give some advice for our fellow college student?
As what I've said earlier, sa pag-budget sa allowance, kinahanglan mo dapat you know your priorities. Dapat kabalo ka unsa mga importante nga butang nga dapat nimo budgetan, such as baon nimo, mga plate, projects, and then pwede po maglahi po ka for your wants. Ganun.
Good morning, sir. What is your name, your label, and course?
I am Ernest Imo Piniluga. I am B2A.
How much your allowance every week or month?
Every week, it ranges up to 500 to 600 pesos.
In that, so how do you budget your allowance?
In a day, my mom gave me 100, then I only use it for fare to get in school and go home, and I don't expense if it is not necessary.
Can you give some advice for our fellow college students?
My advice is that don't spend if it is not necessary or it is not asked.
Thank you, sir.
Hey guys, from interviews and observation, Here are some budget hacks students survive college life. Let's go. So number 1 is envelope system split among allowance into categories. Like dapat jud i-separate imong kwarta para sa adlaw-adlaw nga gasto para dili ka mapurdoy. Number 2 is meal preparation. So magluto ka sa balay or mag-cook sa boarding house. Kasagari is sa tuwa is mupalit na lang ta sa kantin or magpalit og pastel, di ba tama? Pero kung magluto ka sa balay, makabaon ka, makatipid ka, busog pa ka, plus kung malate ka sa eskwela, okay ra basta imong maayo imong time management. So number 2 is expense tracker, like lock in imong daily spending. Isulat nimo sa imong nagasto kada adlaw basin may time nga mag-diet ka, one day kay dako kayo nagasto. That's super wrong. Dapat po creative pod ni para makita nimo asa na padulong imong kwarta. Number 4 is needs versus wants. I-prioritize ang essentials, like unahon yun nato ang maimportante nga butang, maglikay lang ta sa mga walay pulos nga gasto, bisan gamay ra imong kwarta, dapat mag-prioritize gyud ka ani. Number 5 is save small, gain big. Mag-set aside kag 20 pesos daily, bisan coins lang, basta makasave ka daily, pohon pag magkakipit, dapat kay magamit like lifesaver kaayo. So yeah guys, be wise sa imong decisions, budget smart, survive college life and still enjoy.
Budgeting is not just about money. It's about discipline, priorities, and self-control. Bawat piso and every smart choice makes a difference. Bilang estudyante, we may not have much, but with the right strategies, we can live well, study better, and prepare for a brighter future.